Hi, guys, and welcome to your readings for the month of July. Stay tuned to the end for a special message I got while sitting at the oceans and the beauty of the ocean this morning with the sun glistening on its radiancy was beautiful. So, enjoy the month of July. And for today, I'll be using two packs of cards, the Angel Answers cards by Doreen Virtue and the Healing Messages from Your Angels cards, also by Doreen Virtue. I think you can see both the pack covers at the back. There we go. So we'll be combining those, and let's get started with the 12 signs for the month of July. Hi guys, I just want to add that this morning we had the outdoor message of your ships coming in, receptivity and the flow of energy inward, of receiving your manifestations. And now this afternoon and evening when I've done the readings, 5 or 6 or 7 of the star signs out of 12 had the "You're Ready" card. That is amazing validation, guys. You're ready to receive. You're ready to receive your manifestations, your goals, your intentions, wishes, desires. Your ships are coming in. So remember to set the intention this month to receive. You are ready. Hi, Gemini, and welcome to your reading for the month of July. I've just got plugged in a mic, so I hope that helps the sound with all the sounds of the birds going back home for sunset. I hope you're able to hear me clearly. And let's go ahead and get started with your reading and pick up your cards. So, Gemini, you have quite a few popping out. Let's take one. The first one, abundance, gorgeous energy to start off right off the bat. Freedom, excellent cards, guys, so far. And lastly, we have divine timing. Whenever we pick a divine timing card, as you know, I always pick one more. And manifestation, wonderful. Wow, guys, you have abundance, you have freedom, and you also have divine, oopsie, drop the card. You have abundance, you have freedom, and you also have divine timing for your manifestations to come true. Beautiful cards for the month of July, guys, because as you see, as you've heard from the ocean's message that I will be giving you for the month of July, it's all about receptivity and the flow. So the message was regarding the element of water and receiving your flow. So do check that out right at the end. It was my message while at the outdoors for you. And your three, we have already done that pack. Sorry, your 3 cards from the Angel Answers pack. This month we're doing 2 packs. Gain abundance right off the bat from another pack. And this is also your first card. You've just seen we pulled abundance as your first card from the first pack, and you got abundance as your first card from the second pack. Wow. Abundance is definitely in store for you today. I mean, this month. And remember, abundance is many forms of receiving, right? And improving health. So your health will be improving. This is great to get, Gemini, because I just had some health advice for Taurus. So it's nice to have improving health for my Geminis. And the last card, you're ready. Aries got this card as well. You're ready too, Gemini. So you're definitely ready. If you're already an Aries sun sign and Gemini rising, or vice versa, Gemini sun sign and Aries rising, you definitely are ready for something because you're ready in both readings. Yeah. So you're ready to be assertive, to do whatever it is that you need to do to attract your abundance, receive your flow of energy in July, and also just want to bring your attention to both cards of abundance here. Beautiful energy, guys. Usually the cards clarify each other, and you got the same card twice. Double trouble, ditto. So lots of abundance in store for you for this month. 7, numerologically, July is the month of 7. So numerologically, you will be all the signs actually will be attracting a lot of their flow, because remember also 777, it's the number of jackpot. So you will be getting your jackpots coming in. Not always abundance like wealth, like we said. It could be all forms of abundance, receiving in all forms, whether it's gifted to you, whether it's friendship, whether it's time, whether it's energy. But I'm sensing whatever it is, it's going to give you a lot of harmonious energy, and you're going to really feel loved. You're going to feel the love, whether it's with you, friends, family. Hi guys, and welcome outside again, sharing the magical energy of the solstice that began about a week ago, and still back outside enjoying the magical energy of the ocean this time. I'm going to share that with you soon, but running into July, this energy only serves to build momentum. So I really hope you enjoy the energy of July, and let's see if I can change the focus here to show you the water. There we go. And you can see the ocean is really looking lovely today, sparkly and beautiful. And you can even see the ship coming out, or going out. This time, this reminds me of another movie, The Goonies actually. You know that scene where the pirate ship sails out? A really amazing, enchanting 80s movie actually, that I've been watching recently. So I think whenever we're doing a reading, the energy, everything signifies something. And the ship going out, I actually feel it's a little bit of your ships. It's right next to the port actually. If you see, there's the port wall right there. So I feel like, and you can see there's another little buoy or little boat thing out there. I feel it's time that your ships are coming in. That's the message I'm getting. It's ships coming in. It's time for things to start soaring, or things that to start launching, that you're beginning, and that energy we spoke about that had begun at the solstice will just serve to add momentum to it and help you to soar. So whatever you have been planning, remember to go ahead and trust your instincts and put into action. Take those milestones and steps and just enjoy the energy, guys. I mean, look at this water. The other aspect of doing this outside is that the magnanimity of the ocean and the water's energy and flow and rhythmic connection to the earth as well. It supports it. And the sun's energy just radiating, just adding to its radiance and vibrancy and beauty. It just serves to remind you to remember your own vibrancy and radiance. Let's see if I can turn the video back. Awesome, guys. So here's another ship coming into the port. Just like we said, your ships are coming in. Alright guys, so remember your own vibrancy and radiance and beauty, both inner and out, as we go through the month of July. Remember to use the element of water to help you flow with the magnanimity of your emotions when creating your dream. Whenever we create in your dream, sometimes it influences our emotions, but remembering how awesome and great you are, just like the magnanimity of nature, and not just the element of water, but the element of the sun, element of the air and the element of the earth. Remember to be and stay grounded, and just remember to connect with nature, guys, and enjoy the energy. It's really so beautiful out here, and I just wanted to share a bit of this with you as usual in our readings, and I hope that you enjoyed today's reading. So enjoy the energy of July, guys. Enjoy the 7th month of the year. 7 is always lucky, and remember to take some time out for some self-love, self-care, and just some time out to connect with yourself in nature or wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, guys, enjoy the energy of July. Have fun. Take care. Bye.